As far as the Google syncing, one of the things that we do encourage people to do if you're setting up Google Sync for the first time, definitely back up your contacts in Google, making sure that everything is downloaded and backed up in Google.
Okay.
And whenever we synchronize, the part of this that's kind of interesting and good is that whenever we synchronize, we do take the name of the person, first and last name, and an email or a phone number, and try to match what's already there. If you've got common names or whatever, it will try to sync the ones that you've already got in your database. You can still have like mismatches of names and phone numbers, and then they've got to deal with manually merging them. Sometimes, if you know you've got all the data in SAM and not all of them are in Google, sometimes it's easier just to delete everything out of Google and then bring everything over from scratch, so you don't have to deal with merging and stuff. But that's it's a nuisance the very first time, one way or the other. But we try to make it as simple as possible by doing the merging.
Okay.
For the most part, I only synchronize from SAM to Google, but you can do either way. Shouldn't be a problem. On your calendars, you can synchronize your calendar to any existing calendar that you have in your account, based off of things that we've had or challenges we've had in the past. It's sometimes better to create a separate calendar in your calendar in Google, and we can do that. Whenever you first come in, if there's not a SAM calendar, it'll offer an option to create a SAM calendar, and that way everything from SAM just goes into a separate calendar, and then you can share that with anybody that you need to without sharing your personal calendar as well. So just a little heads up on that.